Hello there everyone, welcome to another interesting video. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp and how to use this AI-powered chatbot to get answers to all your questions. Before I start the video, I would like to request one thing, that if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel to support me. Anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, we are on phone screen now. First of all, open a browser. I'm gonna open Google Chrome. And then go to a website called Smooth AI. Here on top of the search list, Smooth AI. As you can see, click on it. And here you can see the Start Smoothing option. Click on it. And then finally continue chat. It will redirect to your WhatsApp. Now you can ask anything to ChatGPT through your WhatsApp. Let's see how it works. I hope this video might be helpful for you. To get more interesting video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.